Before assembly, we must check the necessary hardware needed for the installation of the wall version of Pole Pro. Included with the installation manual are 4 number 8 L40 plugs, 4 5.5 45mm screws, 1 5x25 rubber washer, 1 5.3 washer, and 1 M5 nut. The first step is to unpack the anchor plates, then mark the positions of the holes respecting the indicated measurements. Finally, drill the marked holes with a size 8 drill bit and fix the support using the number 8 plugs and corresponding screws. Once wall mounts are fitted, hang the charger from its mounts to the wall mounts and fix it to the lower support using the 5.25 rubber washer, the 5.3 washer, and the M5 nut. The final step is to connect the power wiring to the existing charger's terminals following the installation guide.